We'll do the euro dollar and then we'll come back and do the. Now, $144.79. That is lovely. That's a nice structure point. Okay. It's also been a week of nothing. So it closed the week at 28. So it's basically, look at this, the high of last week, guys. Last week's high is 144.87, which is basically the structure point, which is 144.80. So that is, oops, okay, gotcha. Thank you, Janet, thank you. Alright, I just got you. My apologies. Okay, so let's back it up. I'll say it again. What I was talking about is, you see the last 4 days, they're all sitting right up here, pretty much in a very tight range, and the structure point, which is this one here, which is the 144.79 or 144.80, it has come to it. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. No, on the contrary, absolutely not. It's not a bad week for the euro. I genuinely think as long as it sits where it's at right now, Carlos, at or around the 144.80, it's going to be brilliant. It will only get bad to the euro if it trades below the 143.33, which is this other structural point. And if you see now, hold on, this is very important, guys. If I compress the data, you would see that the 143.33, that was the beginning of the capitulation of the euro back in, I think, April of last year. See, I'm just moving it slowly so that you can see what I'm talking about. Look at where the 143.37 is. See, there is the 143, and this here was the beginning of the capitulation. See the move? That's the beauty of price behavior. You know now where this thing is going to capitulate, and you remember these numbers. You never forget them, because we were trading this, the 143.37, when we were actually, I took that trade on FX Street. We took it short on 143.37, and it gave us close to 1,500 points. So now we are in heaven, literally in heaven. If it gets below 143.37, you go short, and your goal, your risk reward, is you're risking 5-10 pips, and your reward is you're looking at 1,000 pips. Right now at 144.28, it is closer to the 144.78, so I'm actually much more. It's just moving sideways. That sideways move is not a sign of weakness, it is a pulse. So we don't have any buy signals over here, nor do we have any sell signals over here. So therefore our buy signal, our sell signal will be taken from the short-term charts, from the intraday, and it is so again hypothetically my buy would be above 144.54. That's my buying point, and if it does buy it over here, I'm going to place my stop right below these lows, which is 143.80. That is going to be my stop. I just have to give it a big stop. Okay. Now on the short side, we have no reason to short anything unless it takes out this low, and that is 143.90. so my short point is 143.90, and if I short it here below 143.90, I'm going to place my stop. No, I'm not going to short it below one. No, I'm going to cancel that short. This is the 1.4390. I'm not going to take it short over here. On the contrary, now I'm going to take it short from here at 143.60, and I'm going to put my short stop over here. This is my short stop. So here is my short, this is my short stop, this is my buy, and this is my buy stop. So my short is 143.60, and my stop is 143.90. Okay, that, and your bias is to, yes, you buy the high, of course. Okay, so we are buying it at 144.54, and my structure long, what am I doing here? $144.54, and my structure long is 144.80. My structure short is the 143.37. That is my long stop, the 143.80, and this is 143.90, is one and the same. So since they're pretty close to each other, I'm going to make them one and the same so we don't go upside down on our position. Alright, So we're buying the euro at 144.54. Our structure long is the 144.79. My stop is the 143.80, so I'm risking about 60-70 pips on that position. And my short is 143.60. My structure short is the 143.33, so we're 30 pips away from the structure short. And my stop is going to be the 139.20. Okay, this is the euro dollar.